I'm Susan, and today I'm going to be working on my alphabet glue book, and I love my new cover. I did that on the 50 stack challenge where the prompt was book cover, and I knew I hadn't decorated my alphabet glue book, so I did that. So you can check that out. So let's get started. I did a little bit of fussy cutting. I had to pull into my cut and collage books to find some of this stuff. So let's go through here and see what we can find. Now I know I have some D's. Let's see. Let's see. Or at least I thought I did. Oh, desert. I've got this. That desert. So I can put that down. And I've got this desert as well, which I could tuck in here. Or maybe I'll hang it right there. Okay. I go ahead and put that down. Go ahead and put that down. All right. Let's see. E. I don't think I have an E. H. I know I have a hat. I think I'll move that there. Put that there. And do I have... I don't think I have another H. So let me get that down. I've got that hat too. And let me put my hummingbird down. Okay. I've got an iguana. And I don't think I have anything else with an I. So let me get this little fella down. It's starting to fill up. Okay. I do have keys. I think that's it for that one. Oops. These are delicate. I thought. Okay. Let's see. And I've got New Orleans. So I can add that down. Flip this over. Starting to get too gluey. I hope everybody's doing good. I really didn't speak, did I? I'm doing pretty good. We finished watching White Collar, and it was really good. I really enjoyed that. I hated to see it end. We're watching a couple episodes of Murdoch that we still like 2 episodes. And let's see, I'm almost at least halfway through book 4. of the Vampire Knitting Club, and that's been fun. Let's see. Oh, I've got an ornament. And do I have anything else? Let's see. I don't think so. Okay. Yes, tea. Tea I have tied, and I remember when the boxes looked like that. Okay. I don't think I have I have a video game. So that'll be fun. It's nice and big, so it'll take up a lot of space since I don't have very many V's. Okay. W, I don't have X. I gotta work on some X's and Y's. And I do have a zebra. And I've got this little National Geographic with zebras on it. So I finally have something on all of them. You would think I could find a zipper or something. And I think I'll just tuck that right there. I need to look for some yams, I guess, and a yak. And a xylophone. That's the only thing I can think of. Let's see, an umbrella. Okay. T. S. R. I have a runner. And I have some rocks. Okay. And my rocks. Okay, Q, I've got a quotation marks anyway. Don't know what it says. And I got another QR code. Quicker man down. Oh, I've got an octopus. So that's fun. Okay. Kellogg's. I remember those little boxes of cereal. I was always disappointed my parents wouldn't buy that. You know, I didn't understand that it's cheaper just to buy the big box. And I've got one more, and that is a dragonfly. So I think I'm going to put him right there. So this book is coming along. It's almost finished. There we go. Let's see. We'll go back through. There's my A, B, C, those are pretty much finished. D, I've got my dragonfly and my deserts. So that's coming along. E, I still need to find some E's. F is pretty full. G is, and H is getting there. Just a few tiny spots. I's coming along. J, I've got a little bit of space for some J's. K's coming along. It's almost full. L, M, N's almost done. O, I added my octopus and my ornament. P, Q, I've got my quartz and my QR code. And I've got my runner and my rocks. And S, T, I added my tide. I need some U's and V's. W is about full. Well, it is full. I definitely need some X's, some Y's, and some Z's. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.